You're standing in the model of our Jasmine plan, which is one of our 8 in the Masters series or Masters collection. We specifically designed this a couple of years ago to try to cater more towards first-time buyers and first-time move-up buyers to offer superior value. That's been the bulk of our business that we've been striving to gain in this market over the last 2 years. This will be one of our first neighborhoods this year. We'll be able to offer that offering with all 8 plans. It's really designed to offer maximum value for the buyer. It doesn't have any waste. It's a good layout, a good design, good features, options that are, people want to have, and we control the entire project. So we're looking forward to increasing our volume with offering this product offering at probably $50,000 less than our average price point from previous years. We have 4 of the plans in that series that fit on a very narrow lot that we designed for specific projects where lot size is an issue. Where the lots are larger than 50 feet and we have a lot more choices, then we have 4 of the larger plans in that series. One of them is a master down, which is the Jasmine. That's the plan we're in now. It offers a master down, a flex space downstairs with either a bedroom or an office, and then 3 different layouts for the upstairs. We have a ranch plan. It's a 3-bedroom, under 2,000 square feet that has an option for a second floor to make it a 4-bedroom. And then we have 2 other plans that are in the middle of those square footages. One is actually the largest one being the Dogwood plan. That's a very traditional 4-bedroom. The bedrooms are upstairs, downstairs living space, has some flexible space for office or living area in the front. And then the Azalea, which is probably going to be one of our best plans, just under 2,400 square feet. All the plans have 2-car garage. They offer garage storage and the features that a lot of our competition can't put into their homes. And we prototyped these in a couple of other projects, so if they didn't work, we fixed them. So we now felt like we settled on the 8 plans that have already been experimented with, and then they're all good sellers. Our vision for Sagamore, I guess, for this year would be continued improvement and continued growth. We did a little over 60 homes last year, and we're looking to expand that opportunity throughout the Triad, opening up some new neighborhoods. Just continue to get better at our business, satisfy our customers, and grow our brand here as much as the market will allow us to.